Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I will show you how to use Bittr to buy Bitcoin into your Keystone hardware wallet. Since the Keystone is air-gapped, we need to sign the message with a QR code. We will use Sparrow as a software for that. I will guide you through every single step. Let's get started. At first, go to getbittr.com and click on Buy Bitcoin. Enter your email address and go to your email inbox to confirm it. After that, you have to enter the IBAN you want to send money from. We now come to the wallet selection. Choose Other Wallet from the options. You now see the message that you need to sign with your Keystone. You can copy the message already and then open Sparrow. When you are in Sparrow, click on Addresses on the left side. Hover over one of the addresses and click on the small pen icon that appears there. This opens the message signing. Simply paste the message you just copied from the Bittr website. Then click on Sign by QR. Now you need to unlock your Keystone. Scan the QR code with your Keystone and then double check the message and the Bitcoin address you're using to sign it. After you sign the message, the Keystone will show your signature as a QR code. All you need to do now is go back to Sparrow and click on Scan QR. After you scan the QR code from your Keystone, Sparrow will automatically show the signature. Great job, that's almost it. All you need to do now is to copy and paste your Bitcoin address and the signature to the Bittr website. In the very last step, you can choose if you want to use the XPUB or only a single Bitcoin address. Congrats, now you're all set up. To buy Bitcoin, you now only have to send a bank transfer with the payment reference that's shown here. The Bitcoin will be automatically sent into your Keystone hardware wallet. Let's set up a bank transfer to see how that looks like. Open your banking app and enter name, IBAN, and the amount you want to convert into Bitcoin. If you want to start a savings plan, you just simply set up a recurring bank transfer. I'm setting up a monthly transfer, so I only have to set it up once and everything runs automatically. Don't forget to add your payment description as a reference. Once the bank transfer is complete, go back to your email inbox. You should soon receive a confirmation email from Bittr telling that your Bitcoin purchase is complete and that the Bitcoin already have been sent to your wallet. The email also shows you all the important details like the amount of Satoshis you bought and the exchange rate that was used for your purchase. You can also find an overview of your purchases in the Bittr dashboard on the website. And that's it already. With every single bank transfer, you can now buy Bitcoin directly into your Keystone. Thanks for watching and happy stacking.